How to rewire your brain for super productivity. Do you ever feel overwhelmed and struggle to stay productive? Does it feel like achieving your goals and dreams is just too hard? As it turns out, rewiring our brains for productivity is possible and it doesn't have to be difficult. In this video, I'm going to share with you the strategies and tools that will help you become super productive. You'll learn how to create effective habits, optimize your environment and simplify the decision-making process. You'll also discover how to increase your motivation and focus, so you can achieve your goals faster. So if you're looking to increase your productivity, this video will provide you with the strategies you need to make it a reality. Outline the benefits of rewiring your brain for increased productivity and why it's important to do so. Are you feeling overwhelmed and unproductive in your everyday life? Rewiring your brain for super productivity can be the answer. By focusing on the right areas and putting in the effort, you can harness the power of your brain to increase your productivity and develop better habits. You'll learn how to utilize cognitive tricks, start productive habits, and create powerful routines to get things done and make progress in life. With a little effort and the right techniques, you can develop the skills and mindset to become a productive powerhouse. Understanding your brain and why rewiring is important. The human brain is an amazing and complex organ. It is the most powerful computer in the world and plays a critical role in our daily lives. It is responsible for a variety of functions, from language processing to memory retention, and everything in between. Understanding how our brains work can be essential in improving our productivity. Rewiring our brains for increased productivity is a simple concept but one that requires a significant amount of effort and dedication. The process involves changing our thinking patterns, developing new habits, and restructuring our neural pathways to form new connections. This creates new neural pathways that are more efficient and can increase our productivity. Rewiring our brains can be a long and challenging process, but the end result is worth the effort. By focusing on specific goals, we can create new neural pathways that will help us reach our productivity goals. For example, if we want to increase our productivity at work, we can focus on improving our organizational skills. This will create new pathways in the brain that help us stay organized and efficient when tackling tasks. This will enable us to remain productive for longer periods of time and increase our overall productivity. Identifying and changing unproductive habits. Identifying and changing unproductive habits is one of the most important steps in rewiring your brain for super productivity. To do this, first, you need to be aware of the habits that are preventing you from achieving your goals and objectives. This can include unhelpful behaviors such as procrastination, lack of focus, and distraction. To identify these habits, try taking a step back and reflecting on your current behavior. Once you've identified the unproductive habits that are keeping you from reaching your full potential, the next step is to change them. This will require some effort on your part, but the reward of increased productivity can be worth it. Start by breaking down the habit into smaller, more achievable goals, such as setting up a schedule and sticking with it. Make sure to break down tasks into manageable chunks and focus on one task at a time. This will help you stay on track and focused on the task at hand. Additionally, use positive reinforcement to reward yourself for achieving your goals. Finally, practice mindfulness and self-awareness. This can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, and how they are impacting your productivity. Developing a positive mindset. Developing a positive mindset is essential for becoming more productive. It is a very important factor in creating a successful outcome for any task. A positive mindset can help you stay focused on the goal and take necessary steps to achieve it. It also allows you to be open to new ideas, opportunities and experiences. With a positive mindset, you are also more likely to be successful in making changes and improvements in your life. It can help you stay on task and make sure that you are utilizing your time in the most efficient way. A positive mindset also makes it easier to remain optimistic and persistent despite obstacles. Stress can lead to procrastination and a lack of productivity, but with a positive mindset, it can be easier to stay focused and remain productive. A positive mindset also makes it easier to stay motivated when faced with difficult tasks and challenges. Finally, having a positive mindset can help you build relationships and work with others more effectively. Utilizing technology and tools. In the modern world, utilizing the correct technology and tools can be a huge boost to your productivity. With so many different options out there, it can be difficult to know what to use to help you reach your goals. To start, you may want to consider using goal-setting software. This type of software is designed to help you plan out your tasks and set achievable goals. Once you set your goals, the software can alert you when you need to review your progress and make any changes. Additionally, you can use a task manager to keep track of what you need to do and when. It can help you prioritize tasks and ensure that you stay on track. Another great tool is a calendar app. This can help you keep track of your daily activities and plan out your work week. You can set up reminders to make sure that you don't forget important tasks or tasks that you need to finish. Finally, you may want to consider automating some of your tasks. This can save you a great deal of time and energy by allowing you to automate processes that you would otherwise have to do manually. From setting goals and tracking progress to automating tasks and analyzing data, there are many resources available to help you become more efficient.